Once upon a time, in a magical realm called Mathemagica, there was a wondrous kingdom divided into many colorful provinces. At its heart lived the natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, and so on. These cheerful characters were always marching forward, building the kingdom by counting sheep, apples, and twinkling stars in the night sky. One day, mysterious travelers arrived from distant lands, the integers.
Ho, ho, ho!
They brought with them numbers less than 0, -1, -2, -3, and more. The natural numbers were quite surprised at first. Why would anyone want to count backwards? Ask number 5 with a puzzled expression. Because sometimes we owe more than we have, replied 3 with a friendly smile. Not long after, another group of newcomers appeared, the rational numbers.
Ho, ho, ho!
These precise fellows always carried fractions like 1/2, 2/3, or 3/4. With a gentle voice, they explained, "We help when things need to be shared fairly among friends." But then, a truly enigmatic visit arrived, the irrational numbers. Unlike the others, they couldn't be written as neat fractions.
Ho, ho, ho!
Numbers like square root 2 and pi strolled around with endless decimal expansions trailing behind them like magical capes. "Don't worry," said pi with a twinkle in its eye, "I may never repeat. But I'm part of the family too." As the kingdom grew more diverse, the wise real numbers gathered everyone together.
Ho, ho, ho!
With a warm and welcoming tone, they declared, "You all belong here, naturals, integers, rationals, irrationals. Together we form the great kingdom of real numbers, where every quantity has its special place." From that day forward, the people of Mathemagica lived in harmony, using numbers for every task imaginable, sets organized who belonged where, like sorting the kingdom's colorful butterflies.
Ho, ho, ho!
Equations solved the realm's mysteries, unraveling riddles and unlocking secret passages. Geometry built their fairy tale castles and enchanted bridges that sparkled in the sunlight. And statistics told the story of their people, weaving tales of adventure and growth.
Ho, ho, ho!
As young students learned about the magical land of Mathemagica, they discovered that mathematics wasn't just a collection of numbers and symbols. It was a grand adventure filled with cooperation, logic, and boundless imagination. In this enchanted realm, every number had a story to tell and a special role to play in the kingdom as never-ending tale of wonder and discovery.
Ho, ho, ho!